All right, went down to minimum nickels, which is $2.50. Is it going to be the curse of 4 or not? I hope not. Come on, there we go. Wouldn't it be something to watch the major drop in there? I've seen it happen to a couple of people. Never to me. Come on, Minor. Any words would be nice. Pop, pop, pop. All right. Come on, words. Minor, come back, please. All right. Let's just spin number 1 of 6. There's a big. Fill it right there. Nope. All right. All right, let's come back with bigger numbers, please. Or a whole screen of something. Come on, we can do this one more time. Nope. All right, go up to $5 for 3 spins. All right, see ya.